Hi, my name is Deborah Stellamaris, and I first came to Mount Shasta in 2011, and that was just for a visit. And at that point, I had so many mystical, magical, synchronistic experiences here, and really awakened to a new part of myself. And then between 2011 and 2014, the mountain just kept calling. I came back for programs, visits, and then finally decided to move here and really follow my inner guidance because it was such a strong calling. Shortly after I got here, I met Saranam, and we were divinely guided. It was another synchronistic moment where we came together. I had been working individually myself as a healer, doing energy work, and we came together just to assist a friend we met. And when we worked together with her, it was such a powerful experience. We realized now in hindsight, it was bringing the divine masculine, the divine feminine together, but there was a synergy that happened with us working together with one person at the same time. And that really took our work to a whole new level. And we've been doing that. We do work individually, but it is so much more powerful when we work together. And so that's what we're doing. I also just opened the Mount Shasta Arts and Healing Center, where I host events and have a retail space as well that's more assistance for the community or the spiritual community. But the mountain experience has been magical, and we continue to offer our work and really want to take it to the next level out into the world to assist more people.